Hey guys. Okay, so I'm going to use this week's video to strongly encourage you to scrap the terms council approval from your vocabulary. Why? Well, in super simple terms, those two little words mean totally different things to different people. So if you're talking to the average person, someone who's not in the construction industry, what they're probably referring to when they say council approval is building approval. Thing is, that industry was privatised back in the 1990s. Council no longer issues building approval. It's the private certifier that issues building approval. Alternatively, if you're talking to the private certifier and you say the words council approval, their mind is naturally going to go, oh, you're talking about a siding variation application or a relax application. One of those applications is like a mini little application that gets lodged to council when you're looking to do work, for an example, on a large lot within the front 6 metres. However, if you're talking to someone like me as a town planner, my mind's going to go, oh, you're talking about a DA, town planning approval, because that is an application you lodge to council to get approval for. However, if you're talking to a veg specialist, like an ecologist or an arboriculturalist, they're going to go, oh, you're talking about an application to carry out work on protected vegetation. That is a mouthful, aka a null application. Or like another example, if you're talking to a driveway person or a concreter, they're probably going to go, oh, you're talking about a crossover permit or a driveway permit. So you get the point I'm trying to put across here today. Council approval means different things to different people. And if you use that terminology, there is a good chance that you're going to go down the garden path, the wrong path, the path that is not right for you, and you're going to waste time, money. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, that covers off everything I wanted to say today. As I always say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site-specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number two, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.